Okay, I'm back over here in my corn bed area. I had got some advice from another garden subscriber, David Corey with the crops. He had advised me that I didn't have to wait till the ears of the corn, outer leaves turn dry and brown to harvest them like I did with my first corn that I harvested. As long as the silk of the ears of corn have turned brown, that's the sign that it's good to harvest them. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the rest of my corn over here in my bed, because I see a lot of the silk on them has turned brown. Okay, let's see what you look like inside. Ah, look at that, look at that. More yellow corn growing here. Not too bad, my first time growing corn. I'm gonna grow a whole lot more. Gonna sow a whole lot more of the corn seeds next season. Okay, look at that. Okay. I have grown me some corn in Big Mama's garden. Yes. Okay, let me get this one here. Ooh. Okay. This one still has some of the outer leaves are green, but that silk on it has turned brown. So let's go ahead and see what you look like inside. See if I can. Look at that. I see some yellow. I see some yellow. But this one here, all of the whole top part of it has not been fully formed the yellow corn on it. Maybe I should have kept it on a little bit longer. But I see some yellow corn on that one. Okay. No, this one didn't form enough of the yellow corn on it. Yellow kernels on it. I still see a lot of the white kernels there. Maybe I should have let it stay a little bit longer. But that's all right. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. First time growing corn. Not always coming out perfect. Let's see how another one looks. Let's go over here to this one here. Get it off. That one don't want to pop off. Let me put this phone down and try to see if I can get this off. Ooh, but look, I see a lot of yellow on it. This one here has a lot of the kernels of corn on it, yellow. Okay, let's see, I see one more here. Look at that, I see the yellow already forming on it. Look at that. Okay. My sweet corn, grown in Big Mama's garden, yes. Okay, let me see how this one looks. Yeah, this is a smaller one, but it has a lot of the yellow kernels of corn on it. Okay. Okay, I see one more ear of corn here. Let's see. See what you look like. Oh boy, I see yellow corn. I see yellow corn. Okay, look at, oh, that looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, okay, okay. Look at that. Corn grown and Big Mama's garden. Yes. Okay, my first time growing corn, not too bad. I know what to do next season, and I'm gonna sow a lot more seeds so I can get a bigger harvest than now. But it's looking good. Corn grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes. I did it. Time to harvest some more peppers. Look how beautiful that pepper is. It turned red. Oh yes. It's one of the sweet peppers over here. Okay. I see some more peppers over here. See some jalapeno peppers. Okay, I see the jalapeno peppers I can harvest. That red one there looks beautiful. Oh, look over here. I gotta harvest a lot more of my okra too. I waited and let them get too big out here before I came and harvested them. Look at those two up there at the top there. Boy, growing tall. More over in that corner. This is my okra tree. Boy, this thing, look at the stem on that. Oh, boy. This tree, this okra plant here is turned into an okra tree. Okay, over here I need to harvest some more peppers over here too. I see you, I see you. Oh, look at them hanging down there. Okay, let me get you. Oh, look at you. Okay. Oh, Lord. My shishito peppers. I think I need to harvest you. You trying to turn yellow on me. Any more over here? I think it's just that one. Okay. Come on, peppers. Looking good. Yes, you are. Let me harvest some peppers. Okay. Harvest this pepper here. Look nice. Okay, come on over here, pepper. You looking good too. Kinda got heat burnt there at the bottom, but you're still good. Okay, shishito pepper. Let me go ahead and harvest you. Looking nice, yes you are. I don't see any more growing on that one. This is good. Got 3 over here. Let's go harvest some more. Okay, let me harvest these 2 here. They're small, but I'm gonna go ahead and harvest them. They got the little branch here hanging down. Okay, got these 2. Let me go find me some more to harvest. go ahead and harvest this beautiful red one. Yes, looking nice. Yes, you are. We have a few more smaller ones here. I'm gonna let y'all stay. Let me see about this jalapeno pepper here. Okay. Sweet pepper and a jalapeno pepper. I think I got another jalapeno pepper here. Let's see. Two jalapeno peppers. Two jalapeno peppers and this red pepper. Sweet pepper. Let me get busy harvesting these big old okras. I think I waited too long for this one here. It's gonna be too hard to eat. It's best to get them when they much smaller. Yeah, that's too big a one. You may save this one and save the seeds for it. And this one here too is really big. Okay. Look at that okra flower there. Yes, more okra coming. I waited too late to harvest these. They too big. Get it off. Yeah, that's too big. Save the seeds on that one too. This one here is a nice size. See, it popped off. So that was good size to harvest them, like this size here. Okay, let's see if I got another one over here. See, that one popped off too. Let me get this one here. Yeah. Okay, I got 3 of the nice size to eat, and a lot more of these bigger ones here. Look at this one here, another bigger one that I'm just gonna have to try to save the seeds for. It'll be too hard, too tough to eat. And get this off of them. Okay. Okay. Let me finish harvesting the rest of these. Pull those big ones off and get some of the nice sized ones. That's gonna be good to eat. A nice harvest from Big Mama's garden. Corn, shishito peppers, bell peppers, sweet peppers, and okra. All grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes, looking good, looking good.